Ever wondered if your egg cooking method is doing justice to your health? Are you aware of the health implications of your preferred egg preparation? You might think an egg is just an egg, but there's so much more to it. This humble food item, often taking center stage in our breakfast, is a powerhouse of nutrients. But the way we cook it can significantly affect its nutritional value. One little egg, despite having only 75 calories, packs 7 grams of high-quality protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1.6 grams of saturated fat. Not to mention, it's also a source of essential iron, vitamins, minerals, and carotenoids, including disease-fighting nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin. Yet the method we use to unleash this nutrition can either make or break its health benefits. So it's about time we rethink our egg cooking methods. Today, we're going to crack open the truth about eggs and their nutritional value. Stick around if you want to make the most of your morning eggs. Eggs, they are not just your breakfast staple, but a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's dive into the nutritional content of an egg. A standard egg boasts only 75 calories, yet it's packed with 7 grams of high-quality protein. But that's not all. It also contains 5 grams of fat and a mere 1.6 grams of saturated fat. Now let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Eggs are a great source of essential nutrients like iron, which is crucial for making the proteins hemoglobin and myoglobin that carry oxygen around our bodies. They also provide us with vitamins, such as vitamin D, which aids in maintaining healthy bones and teeth, and vitamin B12, which plays a key role in the functioning of the brain and nervous system. And there's more. Eggs contain carotenoids, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These are powerful antioxidants that protect our eyes by filtering harmful high-energy blue wavelengths of light. They're also thought to reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in older adults. As for protein, eggs are considered a high-quality source because they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. These amino acids are the building blocks of new proteins which make up our skin, muscles, organs, and other body tissues. Clearly, eggs are more than just a convenient breakfast option. They are packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need. However, the way you cook your eggs can significantly impact these nutritional benefits. Let's delve into the heat of the matter. When eggs are cooked at high temperatures, the cholesterol they contain can become oxidized, producing compounds known as oxysterols. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, these oxysterols are not your average compounds. They are potentially harmful substances that have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. That's right, your cooking method might be affecting more than just the taste of your omelet. But before you panic, remember that eating eggs has not been shown to increase heart disease risk in healthy people. The key here is balance and moderation. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, consider turning down the heat and take your time. After all, good things like a perfectly cooked egg come to those who wait. So, it's not just about eating eggs, but also about how you cook them. Let's explore the healthiest and not so healthy ways to prepare your eggs. First up, boiling. Hard or soft-boiled, this method keeps the yolk intact, preserving the nutrient-rich part of the egg. It requires no added fats, making it a heart-healthy choice. However, it's essential to not overcook them, as excessive heat can lead to the formation of a greenish ring around the yolk, a sign of iron and sulfur reacting at high temperatures. Next, poaching. This method also avoids the use of additional fats. The egg is cooked gently in simmering water, which helps maintain the integrity of the nutrients within. Scrambled eggs, however, can be a bit of a mixed bag. While they can be nutritious when cooked on low heat with minimal butter or oil, cooking them on high heat or adding excessive fats can quickly turn this healthy option into a not-so-healthy one. Frying is where we start to tread into less healthy territory. Although delicious, frying eggs leads to the highest increase in oxidized cholesterol due to the high temperatures involved. Remember, the goal is to avoid oxidized cholesterol and oxysterols, which have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Remember, the best way to enjoy the nutritional benefits of eggs is to cook them on low heat. So next time you cook your eggs, turn down the heat and take a step towards better health.